everybody, this is Shreeya and you're watching SS Craft Mantra. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make an alphabetic candy cake. I'm making this cake for one of my favorite YouTuber and a very good friend of mine. His name is YK Vloggers. He makes all ride related videos on his channel, so do check out his channel. And now, let's get started with the tutorial.
You need box board, scissors, tissue tape or any glue and chocolates. You need to cut out 2 alphabets of your choice and size from the box board. I have selected alphabet Y. You need 2 box board sheets as shown in the video. Now take one cutout of the alphabet along with the sheet. With the help of the folded sides, measure the border of the alphabet and make a cut at the turnings. Glue the folded sides of the sheet as shown in the video. Your bottom side of the candy cake is ready. Now for the upper side, take the other cutout of alphabet and stick it to the folded sides carefully. The alphabet box is ready. Stick the entire box with tissue tape or double tape. You can use a normal tape also. Now you can stick chocolates on the box. Your customized alphabetic candy cake is ready. If you like the video, don't forget to like, comment and share the video. Subscribe my YouTube channel SS Craft Mantra for more customized and innovative craft tutorials.